Hello and welcome to this channel. Today we unveil the secrets of the magnificent pyramids of Giza. Standing tall on the desert sands of Egypt for more than 4,500 years, the pyramids of Giza remain one of the most mysterious and breathtaking wonders of the ancient world. But how were they built? Why were they built? And what secrets still lie within their stone walls? Today, we journey back in time to uncover the story of these timeless monuments. The Great Pyramid of Giza was constructed during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu around 2560 BC. Contrary to popular belief, it wasn't built by slaves, but by thousands of skilled workers and craftsmen who lived in nearby villages. These men, known as the Mamas, were experts in their trade and took immense pride in their work. They worked day and night, carving massive limestone blocks, some weighing more than 2 tons, and transporting them with wooden sledges and ramps. This feat of engineering is still marveled at today, showing the incredible skill and manpower that went into building the pyramids. But why were these monumental structures built? The answer lies in the beliefs of the ancient Egyptians. The massive structures were not just tombs, but gateways to eternity. The pharaohs believed that after death, their souls would ascend to the heavens and live forever with the gods. The pyramids, aligned with the stars, were designed to help guide the pharaoh's spirit into the afterlife. Inside, tunnels and chambers held treasures, food, and belongings, everything a pharaoh might need in the next world. The idea was to preserve the body and the valuable possessions for whenever the soul might return. The Great Pyramid of Khufu, the largest of the 3 pyramids at Giza, originally stood at 146 meters tall, making it the tallest man-made structure on Earth for nearly 3,800 years. It is a testament to the skill and dedication of the ancient builders. What's more, its alignment with the Orion S-Belt constellation is so precise that scientists are still amazed at the astronomical knowledge of the Egyptians. This was not just architecture, it was a masterpiece of science, mathematics, and spirituality. The second pyramid, built by Pharaoh Khafre, is slightly smaller than Khufu's pyramid, standing at 140 meters tall. Much of it is buried under the shifting sands of the desert, hiding its magnificence from casual sight. However, some fascinating features have been discovered through ongoing excavations. A granite sphinx, similar to the famous one at the entrance of the Great Pyramid, was found guarding the entrance to Khafre's chamber. This suggests that the tradition of creating protective figures to guard the pharaoh's resting place continued with the second pyramid. The third and smallest pyramid was built by Menkaure. At 65 meters tall, it is the shortest of the 3, but no less impressive. The construction of these pyramids took centuries to complete, with each pharaoh adding his own unique touch. The result was a testament to the ingenuity and perseverance of the ancient Egyptians. Yet despite all the knowledge gained, many questions about the pyramids remain unanswered. How exactly did they move such enormous stones without modern technology? Some believe giant ramps were used, while others propose hidden techniques. Legends even claim that the pyramids hold secret chambers filled with untold treasures and knowledge of the ancient world. For example, there are rumors of a secret chamber located somewhere within the Great Pyramid. Proponents of this theory believe that the chamber could contain priceless artifacts, or even the lost Ark of the Covenant. While no such chamber has been discovered, the rumor persists, fueled by the many unsolved mysteries surrounding the pyramids. With each new discovery, new questions arise, keeping the mystery of the pyramids alive. As we continue to explore these ancient wonders, we may yet uncover more secrets, hidden chambers, unknown artifacts, and perhaps even the final resting place of the legendary pharaohs. The pyramids of Giza are more than just ancient tombs. They are enduring symbols of human determination, faith, and innovation. The legacy of these great structures continues to inspire awe and wonder in people from all corners of the world. Millions of visitors come to Giza every year to witness the majesty of the pyramids and learn about the rich history they hold. The experience is humbling, reminding us of the countless lives that have touched these ancient stones over the centuries. As the last surviving wonder of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, the pyramids remind us that even after thousands of years, human creations can achieve immortality. The desert winds may have changed, but the pyramids still stand strong, guarding their secrets, and perhaps some mysteries are meant to remain unsolved. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. We hope you've enjoyed learning more about the amazing pyramids of Giza. If you want to explore more historical mysteries, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for new releases. Until next time, keep asking questions and searching for answers. Who knows what secrets of the past you might uncover?